In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a daily and weekly planner in Clickup. This is a simple way to get organized fast by using Clickup templates, so you do not have to build a planner from scratch. Start by going to your Clickup Workspace and opening the Overview area inside your team space. The Overview is a good starting point because it gives you quick access to tools like templates and helps you stay oriented as you set things up. Once you are on the Overview screen, click the highlighted area on the page. This opens the menu you need so you can access planning templates without hunting through different spaces or lists. After that menu opens, click Templates. This will take you into Clickup's template library, where you can choose layouts that are already designed for planning. Next, find and click Weekly Planner. Selecting this tells Clickup you want a weekly structure, which is helpful for mapping out priorities across the entire week. After you click Weekly Planner, click the highlighted area that appears to continue. Then click the next highlighted area as well. These highlighted prompts guide you through the template selection and setup flow, so follow them in order as they appear on your screen. Now click Daily Planner. This adds the daily view option so you can plan your specific tasks and focus items for each day, not just the broad weekly goals. Using both a weekly and daily planner together is a practical approach. The weekly planner keeps you aligned with larger priorities, and the daily planner helps you decide what to work on right now. With Daily Planner selected, click Use Template. This begins applying the template to your workspace. Click Use Template again to confirm and finish the setup. After this, Clickup will create the planner based on the template, and you can start customizing it with your own tasks, due dates, and routines. A helpful tip is to keep your weekly planner focused on outcomes and milestones, and use the daily planner for the concrete actions you will complete each day. That covers everything you need to know.